Hi splendid lovers, welcome and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be sharing with you this very delicious oilless okra soup recipe. This recipe is straightforward, very easy to follow, and the end result super delicious. So stick with me till the end. Let's make okra soup together. First, I added my protein to the pot, add my pepper mix, which is just my pepper and onions basically, add my seasoning and allow my protein to cook perfectly. Okay, you are going to add water for it to cook. If I did not cook my protein overnight for it to marinate inside the stock, I love to cook it with very little water so that the water can dry up and my protein will soak up all the seasoning and have a very nice taste. So now I'm adding more protein, which is my fish. I will add the rest of my pepper mix and enough seasoning for the soup I'm making, and also more water, not too much though, because you can always adjust your water even after adding your okra. You don't want your soup to be watery, okay? So don't add too much water at this point. After adding everything, I'm just going to cover up my pot and allow this thing for about 4 to 5 minutes. I added crayfish powder, which is more protein. Trust me, you are going to love this soup. It is very nutritious, okay? It's going to give you all the nutrients that you need. It has fiber, it has protein, like a lot of protein, okay? And you know, fiber keeps you full and helps with your digestive system. Protein on the other hand helps you to build muscles. You see, when I say this soup is super nutritious, and yeah, if you're on your weight loss journey, this is your go-to soup. Like, you want to consume this soup, it's going to help you. Or you generally want to eat healthy, you want to be eating clean, this soup is perfect for you. There is no oil in this soup, so calorie very low, nutrients you are going to get. After about 4 to 5 minutes, now I'm going to add my okra. This okra was grated, okay? You can use your food processor for your okra, or you can blend it if you want it very smooth, okay? So I'm just going to gently mix everything up because I don't want to break my fish. It's very easy for this particular fish to just like scatter inside your soup, and it's just going to be as if they disappeared. You get, I still want the chunks of my fish inside the soup, so I'm going to be very careful with the stirring. At this point, your soup is 70% ready. Your okra is a vegetable and you don't have to cook it for so long, okay? After stirring nicely, this is the time where you adjust the water. If your soup is too thick, just go in with more water to get your desired consistency. You are going to stir that up again and your soup is almost ready at this point, okay? At this point, I'm adding my washed pumpkin leaves, also known as ugu leaves. Next, I'll go in with more crayfish powder. Cover my pot and allow this to steam for a minute or two, after which I will open up my pot and give this one last stir. And just like that, guys, I've made myself a delicious pot of okra soup. You can make this soup from the comfort of your kitchen and you can enjoy it with any swallow of your choice. So guys, at this point, please give this video a thumbs up, share your thoughts in the comment section, subscribe to my channel if you've not done so, and yes, if you can, help me and share this video so it gets to more people. I will see you all in my next video. For now, stay happy, stay blessed, and stay safe. Bye bye.